giant lizard is attacking us! Oh, run away, it's coming to get us! Oh no, it's attacking our ecosystem!
I thought we were a community. Pensé que somos una población.
My wavy blonde hair and intellect tell me that, oh, this has to be obviously a group of species. Maybe I should text my BFF. Ah! Well, now, wait a second. Rabble. I think it's a community. No, it's a population. No, it doesn't matter. No, it's got to be a species. Oh, no. Ah!
Today we're going to be looking at how we classify populations, communities, and ecosystems to describe the amount of organisms in an area. If only the people that are under attack by Babrita would have known this, they wouldn't have spent so much time arguing. Let's take a look at how we're able to distinguish between them. How to measure populations. How do we express what level of ecology we are looking at? We express it by the area we are looking at. Ecosystem looks at an entire area with all organisms and abiotic factors in that area. Example, in the rainforest there's a lot of rain and organisms.
If we were to talk about looking at a system organization of an ecosystem level, we would be looking at all the factors. Take, for example, this little diorama I've set up. In this diorama, we have many different organisms in an ecosystem of the desk. But we can't just look at the organisms. We have to look at all the abiotic factors as well. That means we also have to look at the water that's in the system, how much sunlight it gets. We have to look at the types of rocks that are available, everything within the ecosystem. That's how we're able to measure it. And that's what we use to describe an ecosystem, all the biotic and abiotic factors in an area.
Community looks at all the organisms in an area. Example, at Lincoln there are people, pigeons, and seagulls.
If we were to take it down, we'll have to look at it to see what we'd have to get rid of to start talking about the next level, which is a community. If we were just examining the community level, we'd get rid of all the abiotic factors and just talk about the organisms in it. So we get rid of the water, we get rid of the rocks, the car, and now we're just looking at all the organisms. In this case, Babrita, the people, the frog, and the duck. This would be considered a community.
Population looks at one species in an area. Example, all the seagulls at Lincoln.
If we wanted to get down into a more specific area, we'd have to get down into the population level. Let's take a look at what that would look like. If we were to make this a population, we'd have to get rid of all types of organisms except for one. So in this case, no more Babrita, no more frog, and no more ducky. We would then just have a group of people. This would be considered a population of people. Just like when you come into San Jose, you see the sign that says population. That's counting the total amount of people in the area, or just one species.
Species, one particular organism, one bacteria on Mr. Erlandson's arm.
We can break this down by one more time and look in terms into what the actual species would be. If that's the case, we're looking at simply one organism. Let's take a look at our example. If we were to look at this in terms of just a species, we'd get rid of all the individuals except for one, thus leaving us with a species, a single species of person, in this case, Lego Man Steve.
Your challenge for this weekend is simply this, to identify why it would be important to distinguish between different ecosystems and different populations in general. Yes, we can talk about organisms, but why and when would I need to be able to distinguish where the organism is from? Have a good weekend.
Run away! Oh, good God, no! It's the end of the world!